Here's one of the best ways you can actually fully automate your reporting using AI automation. We can automatically process your reports and automatically post them directly onto a Google Sheet. How this works is you're going to pick whatever report you want on your computer. So let's say pick the insurance carrier, pick whatever type of report you want to get. For this one, we're going to pick a specific number. We're going to choose the file we want to upload, and then we're going to go to the actual file. Once we have the file here, we're going to go ahead and process it. And what you will notice is after a few quick seconds, all of this data is instantly added to our Google Sheet. So for any of you who have multiple different files and reports, we can get this to work where you can process hundreds or thousands of rows of data in just a few quick seconds, and then all that can instantly be added to a spreadsheet like this. We can fully customize the entire front-end interface here. So you can literally just upload as many reports as you want to this. It's going to process them in order, extract all the data that we need. So we're able to pull up the agent number, the agent name, the customer names, the carriers, even the commissions, the chargebacks, and everything else we need from this file. And instantly we can get all that data. So this process would typically take someone hours to do, but now we've chopped it down to just a few quick seconds, and this process has now been fully automated. But if that sounds like something you're potentially interested in, please click the link below, and we'd love to hear from you.